हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू नवीन श्रीवास्तव ब्लॉग्स। सो गैस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे।
Today I will review iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. Basically, I draw a comparison between iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. As you all know that I have purchased iPhone 15 8 months ago, and its price was at that time approx 72,000. But right now iPhone 15 price dropped significantly and it is approx 68,000 only. And as you all know that Apple has recently launched iPhone 16 and its upgraded version. So I think iPhone 16 price is 80,000, and the only difference between iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 price is only 8 to 10,000. And if you have enough money, then you should definitely purchase iPhone 16 as it is updated version. But if you want to settle in lower amount, then you should go with iPhone 15 for sure. There's no big difference in iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. The only difference is that in iPhone 16 Bionic processor A18 is there, and in iPhone 15 Bionic chip is A16. So there is a little bit difference in camera quality. So if you wanna basically draw a comparison, the basic difference between iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 is that there is price difference of 8 to 10,000, and also in iPhone 16 camera quality is a little bit improved. So if you wanna blog, if you really wanna shoot blog and make reels, then I think you should go with iPhone 16 for sure. And if you don't want to spend so much money, then you should definitely go with iPhone 15 for sure. And also I have made iPhone 15 unboxing and review blog earlier. So if you want to know more about iPhone 15, then I will pin the blog link in comment box, so you can go with this and know better about iPhone 15. So I think you definitely got idea about iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. As you all know, the mega sale of Flipkart is starting from 27 September to 6 October. So iPhone price will drop significantly to 10,000 approx, and I think iPhone 15 will be sale in price range of 55,000, and iPhone 16 will be sale in price range of 65,000. So I think you should go with it. If you wanna shoot blog or make reels, then I think you should definitely go with iPhone 16 for sure. But if you don't want to spend so much money, then you should definitely go with iPhone 15 for sure. And if you purchase iPhone 15, then you should don't regret for sure, because iPhone 15 quality is good and your blogging will be better. Recently the blog that I am shooting is also I am shooting with iPhone 15, so you can see the quality of iPhone 15. As I don't know how to set the quality currently, because I am a new user of iPhone 15 right now, but those who are older, they definitely know how to edit the blogs and reels suited from iPhone 15. And you also know that Flipkart has recently mega sale will be live, and mega sale is starting from 27 September to 6 October. So in mega sale, iPhone 15 or 16 price will drop significantly, approx 10 to 12,000. So iPhone 15 price range will be approx 55,000, and iPhone 16 price range will be approx 65,000. So you can definitely go with iPhones in mega sale. And if you really wanna know more about iPhone 15, then I will pin my last vlog of iPhone 15 review in comment box, so you can go with it. So friends, if you wanna really know about iPhone 15 in detail, so I have made a blog earlier about iPhone 15 unboxing and iPhone 15 review, so you should definitely go with it and you will get to know about iPhone 15 more. So I think you right now have quite big idea about iPhone 15 and iPhone 16, so you can guess what to purchase, iPhone 15 or iPhone 16. So friends, that's all. So I will meet you guys in my next vlog, and I wanna say thank you to all of you for making my channel monetize so soon. So I am really hoping that you will made me feel so good, and you will definitely support me so that I can get my first salary from YouTube soon. So till then, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment down so that I will keep motivated. Bye bye guys, see you in my next vlog. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.